Hello everybody, this is Naushad sir. Today we are going to start our syllabus of 12th standard from the chemistry textbook. This is our 10th topic, that is halogen derivatives. Now dear students, halogens means what? We are already well known about this word halogen. Halogen means what? The halogens are the elements which are present in 17th group of our modern periodic table. Now halogens are also called as halides. They are chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Now all these four elements are highly negative in nature. That's why they are called as halogens and halides. Now, dear students, some examples are given here in our textbook. The first example is like this: benzene ring is there, and to the benzene ring one bromine is attached. Bromine is among these four halogen elements. That's why the name of this compound is what? Benzyl bromide. Now the question is like this: identify the functional group which is attached to the benzene ring. Now functional group, halide is one of the functional group also. Now functional groups we have studies such as alcohol, ketone, aldehyde and acids. So these are the functional group, and similarly halides are also functional groups. Now this is the first example. Second example is also given here, that include benzene ring, and to the benzene ring 6 chlorines are attached. Now dear students, we know that one corner of benzene ring, each corner is having single carbon and it is attached to a hydrogen atom. When we are going to attach any halogen to any aryl or alkyl compound, it replaces one hydrogen atom from it. Now that's why these examples name should be hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene. Now benzene ring, you all know, this is the benzene ring in which alternate double bonds are present and 6 chlorine atoms, which are called as halides or halogens, are attached to the side of the benzene ring. That's why hexa means 6, chloro benzene. Hexachlorobenzene is the name of this compound. That's why we can say that the chlorine is the functional group, that is halide is the functional group attached to the benzene ring. Now third example is given here. It includes one cyclic ring, that is hexagonal cyclic ring, that is called as a cyclohexane, and to the all 6 carbon atoms one chlorine is attached. That means this compound is known as a hexachlorocyclohexane. Hexachlorocyclohexane, because no alternate double bond is present here. That's why these two structures are different from each other. This is hexachlorobenzene and this is hexachlorocyclohexane. Now we are going to discuss about the classification of halogen derivatives, how halogen derivatives are classified. Now these halogen derivatives are classified into two types. Now one is what on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton, hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is attached. Halogen atom is attached. Now the examples are haloalkane, haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarenes. Now first classification, it is on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is attached. Now second example, our second classification is based on the basis of halogen atoms attached. Examples of these are monohalogen compounds. Number 2, dihalogen compounds, and number 3, trihalogen compounds. Now examples we'll see of each one of the classified halogen derivatives. Now first example we'll discuss just like haloalkane. Now this example includes one halogen atom which is attached to any alkane group. That is what we have taken the example CH3 CH2 X. Now dear students, keep in your mind this X is written on behalf of halogens. That means X represent the halogens. First example is what? CH3 CH2 X. X means what? Any of the halogens which we can use: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now any one of from these four we can use. Now the name of this compound should be haloalkane. Haloalkane means what? Any type of. If you are using bromine here, the example name will be CH3 CH2 Pr. What should be the name? 2 carbon chain is what? Ethane, and one bromine is attached. That means bromo ethane, because single bond compound is there. Now second example is what? CH2 double bond CH Now this example is called as a haloalkene. Now dear students, keep in your mind, in this compound double bond comes between this compound. This double bond, the presence of double bond changes alkane to alkene. That means when we are taking the example of CH2 double bond CH Br, for example. Now, what should be the name? Two carbon atom means what? Ethane. But double bond, presence of double bond makes it ethene. One bromo ethene is the name of this compound. Now, similarly, the third example of this alkyne, that is what? Presence of triple bond CH triple bond C single bond X. That means presence of triple bond makes compound alkyne, that is halo alkyne. Now triple bond presence of triple bond makes this compound as a alkyne, halo alkyne. Now similarly we can take the example HC triple bond C. Instead of this X we can write Br. So we can write bromo bromo bromoethine bromoethine. Now similarly for arenes we can make this benzene ring, presence of double alternate double bond, and we can attach here bromine. That compound's name is what? Bromobenzene. On the other hand, we have to take the example of mono halogen compounds. Mono means single. All students have to know mono halogen compounds. That's why we are taking the example such as CH3 CH2, and this X is written here. Instead of X we can use chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Now this is the example of mono halogen compounds. That means single halogen compound is attached. Dihalogen compounds, example of dihalogen compound is what? CH3 CH X. Now we have to fulfill the valence of carbon. This middle carbon is attached from one side hydrogen, this bond and this. That means two halogens are attached. That's why we can call as a dihalogen compounds. And trihalogen compound should be written like this. One benzene ring we can draw. This is the example of arene. Now one halogen here, one halogen here and one halogen here. That means three halogens we are going to attach to the single compound. That means trihalogen compounds.